cutting this much out of my hair, there's a high chance that I might end up bald by the end of this video.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right.
Besides dyeing it, I'm not going to dye my hair. Never. Hey guys, oh wow, okay, wait, let me moisturize my lips. I probably look horrible from this angle, but guys, should I bring you down a little bit? Just bring you down a little bit. Okay, let's start the video. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Nanya. If you clicked on this video, you already know the title. I'm cutting my hair. I'm actually trimming my hair myself at home, cause I've never trimmed my hair before. I've straightened it and then trimmed the ends like this, but I've not trimmed each individual hair. And by the looks of it, you can already see that this hair, oh, you can't even, girl, like you can see. Hi mommy. You can see by the ends of my hair that it is the ends of this hair, it needs a good trimming. And I'm not going to like cut everything at once, because you can obviously see the line of, like, you can see the line that needs to be trimmed, obviously. But cutting this much out of my hair, okay, this is not a tutorial, so if you end up following me and you mess up your hair, I'm sorry. I'm so unprepared. I don't even have hair ties to use, so I'm just going to be using random hair ties to tie my hair. So first I'm going to straighten my hair. Compared to like my first YouTube video, which was a relaxed hair routine, my hair has grown so much and it's so much healthier than the way it was before, and I'm so happy. I feel like I have a lion's mane. Like I'm supposed to be somewhere by 10 o'clock. I told them 10 o'clock and I know I'm not going to make it in time. Like I'm just using random hair ties to tie my hair. My phone stopped recording for like a good minute. Like it just refused to record anymore and I wanted to cry. But I think I've fixed it. On the floor, by the way. In case you did not notice, I'm on the floor. I don't know whether I'm going to carry my hair out. It depends on how it looks after I trim it. It might look terrible and then I'll just decide not to carry my hair that way. But as I'm trimming the hair, I'll probably speed it for you guys. Wow, there's a lot that needs to come off. Okay, so I have straightened this side of my hair. It's not as dead straight as I want it to be. It's probably because of the dead ends, but we're gonna solve that later. So yeah. So let me do this side and I'll come back to you guys because I'm tired. Time to start trimming. Honestly, I don't know what to do. I really don't. Oh God. I think I should just start from the back and work my way to the front. I just want to trim the ends. I'm not really... First of all, let's start with this. I could not find hair shear in my hair. First of all, I could not find hair shear, so I ended up buying a brand new pair of scissors. Do not, as I said, this is not a tutorial. Don't copy what I'm doing, because apparently if you use this, you might end up with more split ends, more bad edges. But like at this point, I'm doing and I tend to be very scissor happy when I start, so there's a high chance that I might end up bald by the end of this video. Let's just see how this ends up, because what's the worst that could happen? I think I can see where I want to cut it. Okay, let's just do this. If I'm being very honest, I'm supposed to cut my, like, if I'm trimming off bad ends, I'm supposed to cut it from like here, like, because you can see like this is where it becomes less. But I'm just trying to treat split ends right now, not really damaged hair.
Montage.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
1 hour later.
I don't know. I'm still trying to decide. Chioma! Yeah? Please come! So basically, I trimmed my ends. You're stepping on here. I trimmed my ends. But, so I don't know whether to cut it into a bob.
Cutting this healthy hair is unnecessary.
Okay.
Let this one grow out first so it can be an actual bob.
Yes, queen! But it looks okay, but can I go to school like this? I'm thinking of carrying my hair to school like this. It has been sister approved. I think I'm done with this hair. I have flyaways. This was just me cutting my hair, but like I feel like it looks okay. My sister said that it looks nice as a wolf cut that it is. Yeah, my camera cut off. I don't know whether you guys are seeing the hair as I am seeing it, because it looks really nice from here, like as I'm looking at it in the mirror. But I don't know whether you guys can see how it looks. I don't know how I'm going to edit this video and post this video by tomorrow, but we will see. Yeah, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like the hair, please tell me if there's any other thing you want me to try with my hair besides dyeing it. I'm not going to dye my hair, never. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.